Hi guys, this is Omar from Sydney, Australia. I work here as a senior business analyst and I'm working in the agile space as well. I recently just wanted to get myself upgraded as a Scrum Master certified, and I was looking for my options online and I came across Leanpitch's course. When you look for a course, you look for two or three factors, predominantly the trainer, how experienced he or she is, and the way they deliver the course. You also look for the profile of the organization where you're getting the course from. And the third thing would be I would like the course to be economical. I mean, even we are overseas, but we all want, we all got a budget. In my case, I would say Leanpitch was ticking all three boxes. Apeksha, she really knows her stuff really well. It's not just theoretical. She made the whole training experience like we are working in a real Scrum project. And on the last day, we were really given like hands-on experience of different roles. I highly recommend this course from Leanpitch, and hats off to Apeksha for her commitment to Agile and all the courses in Agile space. I'm really confident that people who will go and attend Leanpitch courses, it's totally worth it. Thank you very much and all the best.